Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick video, let's go ahead and see the simple steps to disable AI mode option from Google Chrome that is showing in the search bar, and for some reason it's also showing in the Google Chrome address bar. Many people are trying to remove this AI mode by going to Google Chrome setting, but they are not finding the correct option. To remove this AI mode from our Google Chrome browser, we will go to Google Chrome flags. Just type Chrome forward slash and flags. I have the list of the flags that we have to disable. Let me copy one by one and paste it here. Here I got the first one, AI mode Omnibox Entrypoint. Just go ahead and disable it. Now let's go and copy the second AI mode option. Let's paste it here, and here I got Omnibox allow AI mode matches. Let's go ahead and disable this as well. Now let's copy the third one, that is AI entry point disable on user input. Let's paste it here and again go to disable. And the last option we want to disable is NTP Compose Entrypoint. I have copied and pasted here, and I find this option. Now again, click on default and disable it. Here, just go ahead and click on the relaunch button. This will relaunch Google Chrome in front of you from your Google Chrome flags. Let's go ahead and open a new tab, and you will see I'm not getting any AI mode here. And also, I'm not getting any AI mode option in the search bar. So that's it about this quick video today. Let me know in the comments how this works for you. Thanks for watching ITPK. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.